At ABSA, we've developed a partnership program to really highlight what organisations can offer our boarding schools. What we do is bring in companies who offer great services and products to our boarding schools, work with them very closely and strategically to develop their product and service to make sure it's very specific to our boarding school needs.
It's about developing a relationship with that company and working out how we might best provide a service that they need and how they might best provide a service that we need.
As the overarching association who is responsible and the credible source for boarding schools, we wanted to be partnered with the best possible mattress companies, study programs, software providers. To be able to introduce these companies to all of our boarding schools.
ABSA know boarding better than anyone else. They introduced us to different schools at the right times when those schools were needing the programs, and we've just rolled it out steadily. They just give us amazing insights and amazing advice on how to best handle any situations or how to further improve the program or how to meet and connect with other schools. They're just an incredible support network.
ABSA is the leading authority on boarding schools. We know that the participants that we bring into the country are going to be the best trained, they're going to be compliant in every way, shape or form. Having ABSA there as the link between the schools is the trust that we all put in.
Year on year, we're actually continuing to secure other school contracts. We can actually share genuine feedback with each other, develop, improve and actually work together and ensure that we're doing right by the school.
ABSA has really articulated what is good practice in boarding and then offers a networking support structure to ensure that every boarding school has an opportunity to improve.
They keep us current with what is happening in order to improve boarding in Australia so that we can move forward into the future with that growth mindset, improving our boarding staff, improving our facilities, improving the care of the students.
The big vision is that we want you as a company to be great at your job. So if we can work that out really well together and the schools benefit because the partner and ABSA have worked on the product first and they go into a school with the best product possible, then that means that everybody's happy.
One of the things we're really lucky to be involved in is watching our partners grow and develop offerings that can really change the whole boarding school environment, and that's what we're just trying to achieve as a collaborative community.
We want our partners to be inspired and be motivated to want to do better and be better within our boarding schools. The quicker you're able to form those positive relationships, the more successful everyone's going to be.